Have you ever wondered where most of our meat, eggs, and dairy come from? The answer lies in the well-oiled machinery of factory farming. Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Fast Facts. This industry hums along, hidden from the public eye, yet it's responsible for a significant portion of our daily sustenance. Factory farming is a marvel of efficiency and productivity. Picture a vast assembly line, where animals are raised and processed on an industrial scale. It's a system designed to produce large quantities of food at a relatively low cost. This efficiency feeds countless people around the world and plays a crucial role in maintaining our global food supply. However, this efficient system is not without its controversies. The hidden reality of factory farming extends beyond its productivity. The methods employed, the conditions endured by animals, and the impact on our environment all invite scrutiny and debate. Factory farming undeniably plays a significant role in feeding the world, but at what cost? As we delve deeper into this topic, we invite you to ponder this question. What is life like for animals in factory farms? It's a question that may not cross our minds often, but the answer is, unfortunately, quite grim. In the world of factory farming, animals are often subjected to overcrowded conditions, with little to no room to move or express their natural behaviors. Imagine a life where simple pleasures like feeling the sun on your skin, or even turning around freely, are denied. For these animals, that's a daily reality. Furthermore, in order to maximize production and control disease in these crammed spaces, animals are routinely given antibiotics and hormones. This is not for their well-being, but rather to speed up their growth and to keep them alive in conditions that would otherwise be detrimental to their health. And so, we come to a sobering realization. The life of a factory-farmed animal is far from the pastoral image we often imagine. Opening: how does factory farming affect our planet? Let's dive into the environmental consequences of factory farming. Firstly, deforestation is a major concern. Vast swaths of forests are cleared out to make way for factory farms and the crops needed to feed the animals. This not only results in loss of biodiversity, but also accelerates climate change. Speaking of climate change, factory farming is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, including methane, a potent gas that's over 20 times more effective at trapping heat than carbon dioxide. It's a cycle where more farms mean more emissions, leading to a warmer planet. Water pollution is another issue. Waste from factory farms often finds its way into our water bodies, causing severe pollution and endangering marine life. Lastly, there's soil degradation. The excessive use of fertilizers leads to nutrient depletion, making the soil less productive over time. Ending: our food choices have a significant environmental footprint, and factory farming contributes heavily to that. But what does factory farming mean for our health? Well, let's dive into it. The truth is, factory farming can pose significant health risks. One of the most alarming is antibiotic resistance. To keep animals healthy in overcrowded conditions, farmers often use antibiotics, which can lead to the development of superbugs resistant to our current medications. Then, there's the risk of foodborne illnesses. The spread of diseases like E. coli and Salmonella can be exacerbated by the close quarters in which factory-farmed animals live. And let's not forget about the hormones and antibiotics that are routinely fed to these animals. These substances can end up in the meat, milk, and eggs we consume, potentially impacting our health in ways we're only just beginning to understand. Remember, every bite we take is a vote for the kind of world we want to live in. Our health is intrinsically linked to the way our food is produced. So, what can we do about it? This is where the power of choice comes into play. We can opt for alternatives to factory farming. Organic farming, for instance, is a viable option. It promotes biodiversity, recycles natural resources, and doesn't rely on synthetic chemicals. Then there's the option of a plant-based diet. By reducing our consumption of animal products, we lessen the demand for factory-farmed goods. This not only benefits our health, but also reduces our carbon footprint. Another powerful choice is supporting local, ethical farmers. By doing so, we're investing in our communities, promoting humane treatment of animals, and encouraging sustainable farming practices. But the most important choice is the one we make every day: what we eat. Our food choices have the power to drive significant change in the food industry. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you're enjoying our content. So remember, while factory farming presents many challenges, each of us holds the power to make a difference with every meal we eat.